Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Samsul Hadi from 11 RPL 1. Here I will create a database with CMD. Okay. First, open exam on your laptop or your PC. Second, activate MySQL. Also activate the Bahasa server if necessary. Okay. Then click shell to go to CMD. Follow my steps. Okay, here I have created a database with the name saya, and I will also create a table in the database that I have created. Use saya create table. Okay, I have made the table and I will fill in the table that I have created. Okay, I have filled in the table. Tab, select all from. Table name is aku to display. Okay, now hear my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.